Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop image with shape in Illustrator. So very first thing we need to do is to choose the shape you like. So for that, just go to this option, hold your left click and choose the shape you like. I'll just go with this polygon. Now hold your shift key and try to draw the shape. And now we need to decrease the opacity. So for that, just go to this option and just decrease the opacity to something like 50 or 60%. And now just choose this option and just put this shape over to the image, hold shift key and try to make it a bit smaller and just fix it. So it is looking good now. Now it's time to put the image into the shape. So for that, we need to go to layers and select the image and shape. So for that, we need to hold shift key and select both of our photo and shape. Then hit right click on the shape and choose the option make clipping mask, and you'll see that we got the image into the shape and we have successfully cropped the image with shape. Now if I go to corner of the shape and hold my shift key and try to make it smaller, bigger, I can do that. Let me fit it into the center, and yeah, it is looking good. So that's how you can crop image with shape in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.